Welcome to our kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to cook rice perfectly every time. It's a staple dish in many cuisines, so let's get started. My go-to rice is jasmine, but use whichever variety you prefer. First, measure the desired amount of rice using a measuring cup. A general rule is to use 1 cup of rice for 2 cups of water. You can also substitute chicken broth to give your rice a little more flavor. Adjust the measurements based on your preference and the type of rice you're using. Pour the rice into a fine mesh strainer and rinse under cold water. Rinsing the rice removes excess starch and improves the texture. Gently swish the rice with your hands under the water until it runs clear. Now, add the measured rice to a saucepan with a tight-fitting lid. It's important to use a pan with a good lid to trap the steam and cook the rice evenly. Next, pour in the water, following the ratio we mentioned earlier. It's crucial to maintain the proper rice-to-water ratio for optimal results. Now, place the saucepan on the stove and bring the water to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the pan with the lid. Set a timer for 15 minutes. This allows the rice to simmer gently and absorb the water, resulting in fluffy grains. Once the timer goes off, turn off the heat and let the rice sit undisturbed for 5 minutes. This resting time helps the rice finish cooking and allows any excess moisture to evaporate. After the resting time, remove the lid and fluff the rice gently with a fork. This helps separate the grains and releases any remaining steam. And there you have it. Perfectly cooked rice, ready to be enjoyed as a side dish or as a base for your favorite meals. Remember, with the right measurements and cooking technique, you can achieve fluffy and flavorful rice every time. Thank you for joining us in the kitchen today. Enjoy making easy, simple meal. Have fun, and happy cooking.